Hello everyone, welcome back to another recap, another Monday. As you can see, the title is 6 red Mondays in a row. Since I started doing this, there hasn't been a single green Monday. That's actually the kind of pattern I'm looking for. I know it's not ideal because it's red, but that's how I can use my journal for. And that's what I'm looking for. Would I stop trading Mondays? Probably. But like I was saying on the live stream, I wanted to give it another month. So I will keep trading Mondays this month. And then after that, I'll see if I stop. Probably I will, because even if the 3 next month end up being green, the math doesn't add up. But today I took 3 trades. I took 4 trades. The first one was with the first presented fair value gap. That one didn't work. Like I said, this account got hurt last week. A few mistakes, down 1K last week on this account, and now I start again Mondays. It didn't work out. Was never in profit in this trade. I got stopped out here a half day. After this, I switched. The order flow, in my opinion, was bullish, so I was waiting and looking for a pullback for more upside. I wanted to enter above this inverse. This is the risk I take when I enter with stop order, because as we can see, I want to see a candle closing above the inverse. It didn't. But what happened and why I enter with a stop order is that sometimes it's so aggressive that it closed almost in my target. So if I don't enter with stop order, I could miss the trade. It's either that or I could enter with stop order and the setup never triggers. And that's what happened in this trade. The setup never triggered, but I knew the risk. I knew that could happen. It's not a mistake because I was fine with it. And this swing high, I high up day, didn't look at it like a reversal. We took the same trade, the same area. I see. So I was saying that this swing high didn't look like a reversal for me. So we had Friday's high around above 900. So I was waiting for price to take that as well. This trade didn't work, but like I said, it was not looking like a reversal for me. So I kept looking for more longs. My entry was at the inverse fair value gap towards the 15. You enter short and I enter long. Set. Sense encouragement of it, and I lost like $200 of the 1,000 on my vault. I see. But you enter short, right? My trade here was a long. I entered long here. Yeah. I wanted to see price inverse in this, but it never did. What I entered with a stop order. Still, at the end, I never know if this is a reversal or a pullback. In my opinion, it was a pullback, and I kept looking for more upside. So I did the same entry here. And this time we closed above the setup trigger. We took this swing low here. We took another swing low as well. Price found support at the first percentile fair value gap. As we can see, I had more confluences on this trade, and this one did work. The only thing I don't like about this trade is that I had an order waiting here to add to this trade, but price never went that much against me. I was not in too much drag down, and the trade started to run. I don't like it because I didn't make the same amount of money I lost on the first trade, but it's also a good because after a few trades, I will be able to figure it out if I could do something like, for example, so price never reached this level, which is where I wanted to add one more. And immediately look at this candle, very aggressive. Maybe I could add one more here, place my stop loss below this down close candle, and then that will make up for the $100 win, something like that. So that's something I'm looking to be better at, to improve in this strategy. That's it. That was my second trade. One loss. Loss was about $100, and the win was about $80. Again, price still pushing higher. This time ES, which was balanced and trading on a range, by this time was already moving stronger. It was taking half day. It kind of aligned with NQ already, something that I like to see. And because price never took Friday's high, which I call it yesterday high, but it's Friday's high because it's not Sunday's high, it's Friday's high. I kept looking for more upside. I didn't think price hit any key level and could be reversing, which it was reversing, but I thought price could still go higher. Waited for this pullback, and again, enter inside macro, and I got stop out. Very fast on this one. This one was the faster trade of the day. And this concludes my 6 Monday. 5 of them red. The only one that it's not red, it's because I didn't trade. That's giving me some takeaway on how my strategy performs on Monday. But that's it. After that, I stopped. Nothing else for me. 3 trades. This one also, it's another inverse. Price close above it, as we can see it here. And that's it. First one with the first percentile fair value gap. Price closed below it. I enter. Got stop out. The second one, the setup never triggered, but it was the end of the macro, so I thought price could aggressively take high of day. So I enter with stop order. didn't work out as well. The second one, again, I entered with stop order, but as we can see, I could enter after this candle close easily. This one, this leg actually took half day. And the last one, that's it. That's it. Done for today. And this is the recap of September 8th.